it's Adria LeVay and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this super awesome yarn wall. You could do it so many ways. You could just use it for a full-on yarn storage, or you could use it more so as a decor piece and get different kind of cool, funky yarns, and it creates such a statement piece, I'll say. Now I'm going to show you how you could do it too. Do it now, do it good, cake that yarn just like you should. Hey. Oh, ooh, ow. So I got to Home Depot and I'm looking for the board that's white, and it's only less than $20 and it is huge, so gotta get it cut down. So the guy bring it over to the machine. I know that the measurements I want is 64 by 40. So he just basically cuts it down, and the great thing about this, it's optional. You can leave the extra pieces, but you could take everything home, and it's like, why not? So these are the materials that I need. This is a drill bit to actually make the hole. It's a 1/4 drill bit, and it's the exact size needed for the nails that I got. And these are all-purpose nails because the lady was like, what kind of wall do you have? And I'm like, I don't know, I live in a pre-wall building, I don't know. So this is like an all-purpose nail. One thing I did know, I did not have any drywall. Now when you have drywall, you need to do a different kind of step, but this is what I needed for my board that I'm putting up. The space is because the board cannot go directly on the wall because the hooks need to go in. So it gives some space away from the wall. I'll link everything below. And it was inexpensive. And these are the extra boards, like so much. And I'm definitely probably gonna do another DIY on the other side of my wall where the computer desk is and everything. And hopefully get to use it real soon, and I'll record that for y'all too. So now I'm just measuring my space, and I got the boards cut down into 2 so it could fit in the cab. Just measuring it and making sure everything is a go exactly where I wanted it. So I put the first board up just to give it a look, and then I just marked inside of each corner. That's where we'll be drilling at. Just with a colored pencil, just marking in the middle as well, and just lining everything up so you mark your holes in the corner. So after that, I just step back and put the board back on and try to line it up with the holes and just leveled it out just to make sure it ain't no slippy blippies and trippy tippies, you know? Once we double checked with leveling it, I just went back and remark the holes exactly. So now I am drilling in the holes with that 1/4 drill bit that I showed. After that, you just take your wall anchor and slightly tap it in with a hammer and make sure that is good and not tilting. And this is a setup for the, what is it? The screw, the nail going into the wall. You put the nail through the hole and then the spacer and drill it right in. And you literally repeat these steps for each hole. Now after we did the first board, we did the second board. And my boyfriend's just super shy. He do not like being on camera, no social media, none of that. So out of respect for him, just break him out. Ain't nothing wrong. Just wanted to put that out there. So just doing the same exact steps for the second board, marking it up, and that was just about it. And these are the hooks that I got from Amazon. I ordered 50 hooks, and then I realized I'm gonna need more. So I then went and ordered another 50. And these hooks have like a little ball at the end. They mainly shelving hooks, so you can actually put small shelves on it. But I like that it just protects whatever I put on the hook, so it don't, like, you know, rip up the yarn or snag anything. So I definitely recommend these. I'll link it below as well. Now to cake the yarn, this is the yarn winder that I'm using. I'll link that below as well. It is so useful. It's definitely worth the investment. So now I'm trying to pull together a whole bunch of yarn that was just sitting in one of the bins. So now I just went ahead and started using the yarn winder. It's very simple to use. It's a 1-2 kind of step. And it's different ways you can unwind the ball so it could really flow faster and faster. But yeah, this is all you do to cake the yarn. So after that, I suggest that with that starting point for the middle pull, you just wrap that around the tag or whatever it's called that have all the details about the yarn. Just wrap that around that paper and just stick it in right in the middle so you don't lose anything, and there you go. So this night I just took time out to wind up these yarns, and yeah, it took a while. It definitely took a while, but it is so worth it. So now I just started playing with the placement of the yarn. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do like a regular old grayscale kind of thing going on. Not really grayscale, like rainbow. You know what I mean. So I just started playing around with different colors and different ways, and yeah, just started placing the hooks on. And you'll notice very quickly that so much yarn could fit on the board. I actually ended up ordering a total of 150 hooks. And the board is still not done. I'll probably finish it sometime this week or so, and I'll share a picture over on my Instagram. You can follow me there and check it out. So I'm just playing around with the whole gradient and flow of everything. So this is what I got so far on the first day. It's looking good. I'm getting really excited, and it's just so surprising to me, like just something so simple can just bring life to space, you know? And there we go, day 1 down. So I went and ordered even more hooks, and actually I ordered some of the covers for the top part of the hooks that don't have the ball. These are little black caps. Very simple. It's super inexpensive. It was $100 in a cap, and if you do order them because you have the peg hooks without the ball at the end, just make sure you get the right size for your hooks. So you just put the cap right on top of the end, just so it don't scratch you or your fabric, yarn, whatever you put in on the hook. And it adds like a little cool element when it's on the board. And this is how it looked. So this is after day 2. It's really something you can get done in a whole day, but I split it up in 2 days, and this is what I have so far. I have too much yarn, so I'm gonna just adjust certain colors and just figure out cool ways to fit a good amount in. I love it so much. I think it's so cool. Like right when you walk in, it's just like boom, you know? And then when I'm working on projects, I can easily see what I have, see what I could play with, experiment with more colors that I'm not used to. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this is a little different from my channel, and expect some different videos coming, but I love it so much, and I love y'all even more. Make sure you stay tuned. You click that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and all of that. And I'll see y'all in my next video. See you in my next video. Peace.